Get it into mud. Got the controller on low. Journey. All right, YouTube, we're up here at Excel Drones. I got the 10 scale car and been trying to do some FPV drifting, but trying to get a hang of it. So I'm gonna set the camera down and see if I can get some shots of it drifting around. Nope, that's the wall. All right, we'll practice on this corner right here. So we'll set the camera up. And now we're in the relaxation warm part, the shop part, right?
That's right.
Yeah, I hit the hoop and broke my little ghetto camera mount, so had them glue it on, and we're gonna take a look at some drones. What are you doing?
Nothing, just looking at this blue camera drone.
Oh, you like that? You want to fly that? Yeah.
Oh, they got so many new drones.
So many new drones.
Yep.
Oh, we got a fan coming in. Incoming.
And Tom.
Yep.
That bad now.
Yeah.
These motors.
All these cameras.
I'm looking for neutral density filters for the magic color. They're all in that cabinet there.
Hey, you got any all-in-one speed controllers?
4-in-1 speed controller?
Yeah, the 4-in-1, 10 amp for the Aurora.
I got a 13.
15 amp.
13.
13? How much are those? Like 40, 50 bucks?
I think they're 30-ish.
30? Okay.
What's this? A drone blade thingy?
No, that's a motor, buddy.
30.
And this is the part that I need to fix my Ishin Aurora. Oh yeah, I'll be up here to get one of these. I gotta go get his RC.
Up to 3S on it.
For real? Ooh. And there's a little capacitor or whatever that I can put it, or is that a buzzer? No, it's capacitor.
I think it's a cap. Yeah, it's a capacitor.
All right. What are you doing? Are you getting video? Oh, you're just playing the Switch. All right, let's go over here and check on Adrian. This is a flight game. You want to try and figure this out?
I can't scoot up.
Well, you gotta scoot it up, buddy. It's like that. Check out these cool swag they got going on. Some Excel RC swag, yeah.
You're only going to be flying on a nice day. And the clouds are going to be white. The sky's going to be
Oh, I like this t-shirt. That looks better than the t-shirt I got. I wonder if it still got a DJ on the back. Whoop. Let's see here. Excel Squad. Squad up at Excel Drones. It's pretty sweet right there. The hangout spot for big kids. Look at that.
I like that. Yeah, no, I seen this all before y'all. Look at this I found. I like these goggles.
Yeah, those are Fat Shark goggles. Those look pretty cool. Let's continue looking at the controllers first. That's a beautiful controller. The carbon fiber one. All that Excel Drones in Michigan, #1's drone shop, and now they're gonna be a drift shop, I guess. I don't know. I don't want to spread that rumor around. We'll see. They got a drift course. Maybe they're gonna get some drift cars. They got batteries. Yeah, 4600. These big old 5200s. 6 cell, 22.2 volts, 115.4 WH, whatever that is. Let me know in the comments what you guys know what that is, because I don't.
Same thing. It won't trigger something off, then it won't try to work.
Those FPV drone.
Wait, Dromeda made its own drone?
Yeah. Yeah. Why, you want to collect it because it's Dromeda? These are all the Mavics.
Well, the 4s are
Pretty nice.
Why are the
Bucks.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm like, he's like, yeah, it's mine. I'm into this other stuff. I'm like, dude, I got a drone in my car. Like, I'll trade you.
Yeah. Just straight up trade you. All right, so go ahead and explain y'all cars real quick. What's this model?
This is a
These are the
Sakura
same.
D4, yeah, both of them. Sakura D4s.
Okay.
Rocking some MST tires and tires and wheels.
All right.
Sets. I got an OMG 10.5 turn motor. My ESC is I have no clue.
That's
No.
all right. That's
Actually,
cool.
you know what? I can tell you in a second. It's an 80 amp X-Fly.
Okay.
Never heard of them. But it runs good.
I've seen XY.
I got a
on,
ball diff in there and trying to
Dad,
get this
can I
weight
get a
distribution
drift
right,
car?
but it's
You want a
alright.
drift car?
Yeah, but I don't want a big one.
You want
So
like
here's what I
a,
had to do to mine
I
that
want
made
a
a big
small
difference.
one so I can
Dude,
still
my Ackerman's
drift.
off. All this is off. Look
Yeah.
at yours is straight.
But I
Mine,
can
I
go
do
for
not like.
tight
Somebody else set
spaces.
it up and it's just like.
So I can
cockeyed.
pass
Yeah,
all
so
the cars.
the thing that you've got
I
two
can be
holes
up
on these
here.
knuckles.
Yeah.
If you go to the outboard ones, what I was running into is it catches.
It does, bro. I'll
It
lock
catches,
up.
yeah. And if you don't have enough weight, like
And I didn't
you
build
pull-
this,
So,
so it's
so
like,
like so if you lift the weight off, you see it
Oh,
catches
yeah.
there.
Oh,
And that's
okay.
because these nubs get stuck on the links here. So if you move that, you can't rock the sweet camber, which I was sad about. But
I
if you
don't
move,
want the. I only do 3 degrees anyway.
okay, yeah, well
So-
then you probably can still get it. So you just bury this in there, this link, but put it on the, let's face them the same way that we can. Because I just made these changes, and like you've seen me drift
Yeah,
before,
yeah,
I
for
suck. But this week I've gotten so much better because of these changes I made.
Oh
so,
yeah, no, this is more of my setup. Look at my YD2.
So the Sakura D4, a lot of people complain about the front end because
This
it
is my favorite.
it does have a design flaw, but you don't have to buy a ton of parts to fix it.
yeah.
This is like
Yeah,
the
that's-
most easiest,
Yeah, that's
nicest setup.
that's
Though.
what
Look
you-
at my front end,
okay. Straight up.
and it's butter,
yeah. The thing,
like butter,
yeah, I believe
Okay.
it.
Wow.
like everything.
See all
I-
that crazy turning angle? Yeah.
and I'm like total parallel.
Yeah.
Like if
Yeah, I know the Sakura is just messed up with.
I don't know how to. Oh, dude, if you fix this, you would. Well, when
Yeah,
you're
it doesn't do
rocking
bad.
it's
It doesn't do so bad.
Isn't it weird
So-
when you're sitting down on it?
Yeah, but
And-
check this out. So the two things that will totally change how this acts in the
You got
front.
tools for this car?
I know, I didn't bring
It's
no
just
Allen
Allen
wrenches
keys.
with
I got some
me.
Allen keys.
Dad, can't
So you take
turn
that
the
out and put it in
fastest
there,
RC car into
and then
drifter?
the other part that sucks is if you spin the wheels, free spin them,
You would
go
have
to
to,
the
but you would have to
if they
drift
lock
on
up.
a-
yeah.
Yeah, if they
well,
They're
rub.
binding. Yep, they're
yeah,
rubbing.
They're
so
binding.
they're rubbing on
That's gonna
the
make my
arm right
drift
here.
probably just fall out of place.
It does.
Yep.
Yeah, so right here you can see that rub, and you even have like scratches.
So you can change that, though. You can
Blake.
fix that, though, right?
Damn, Blake.
So I took
see.
Oh, he set it up.
I just took a Dremel to where I saw the
You know
scratches.
what? That's
Yep,
what the
and
Jack
then
dude
took that
told
out.
me.
And
He
it
told me
worked.
to-
Look at that.
He just
Look
said
at-
cut it out.
I just cut it out, and it works like a dream now. So, and now it doesn't. Let's see. Oh yeah.
Actually, he was talking about cutting my chassis out in some areas too, like where you don't have droop. Not in this one, but he was like talking about right. I actually got new arms. Have you ever seen these? These are the conversion. Dude, see, look how much droop those have in them now. If you look at the
Nice.
stock ones.
Now, which
they're
chassis is that? Is that
just
the...
That's
the
the
base
one-
YD2.
If I was
The
starting all
YD2?
over
If you're
again,
gonna
I would
start-
get it.
And this is the
I would get
Racing
that.
chassis?
no,
No,
this
this
is
is-
a Yokomo.
Oh, that's the Yokomos.
Yokomo YD2.
This is like
All right.
$160.
Yeah.
on
It's like
RC Mart.
if you can, yeah, you can get these cheap, dude, for the base chassis.
I would do that again. Like,
And then
Yeah.
upgrades is like on the
I know,
way.
there's a bunch of...
So
I
rock
always
it
see...
out. Like
Yeah.
I upgraded to the. It's a conversion kit, but I got the big bore shocks on now.
Okay.
I got new rear arms, and then they give you the low friction bearings for the front wheels.
Okay.
So it's definitely a difference. It's a total difference. I'm just letting you know.
So I'll tell you that.
That's all I listen to is dubstep.